Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to another video. Or today we are gonna talk about how can someone can realistically hack your Minecraft server and why you should not install random plugins. Okay, so आज का वीडियो सिंपल है कि हम बस ये देख रहे हैं कि क्यों कि ना अगर आपके पास एक माइनक्राफ्ट सर्वर है तो क्या वो हैक हो सकता है, कैन समवन हैक इट, राइट? सो बिना आपकी परमिशन के नहीं, राइट? लेकिन एक तरीका है और वो तरीका आज हम एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं बिकॉज इट हैज़ कम टू माई नॉलेज कि आपका जो माइनक्राफ्ट सर्वर है वो ऑफ कोर्स किसी कंप्यूटर पे चल रहा है, राइट? इन दिस केस दिस इज़ आवर माइनक्राफ्ट सर्वर, ठीक है? दिस इज़ आवर माइनक्राफ्ट सर्वर, राइट? एंड मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि हाउ टू इंस्टॉल अ माइनक्राफ्ट सर्वर एंड हाउ कैन इट बी एक्सप्लॉइटेड. ओके, सो फर्स्ट थिंग आई डिड, सो सबसे पहले अपन को अपना सर्वर रेडी करना पड़ेगा. सो आई डिड दिस. वी आर यूजिंग लिनक्स. ओके, सो हमारे पास दो मशीन्स हैं. ये है हमारी अटैकर मशीन, मतलब ये आपका जो अटैकर है वो बंदा है, एंड दिस इज द माइनक्राफ्ट सर्वर मशीन. ओके, so we are going to install Java on this machine, which I already have installed. So Java is already installed on this machine, so we can run Minecraft server, and this is the Minecraft server files. So how did I get these files? If we search for Minecraft paper download, you see we get paper, right? And I just downloaded this, but not this exactly. मैं थोड़ा पुराना version download कर लिया. So जिनको नहीं पता, paper is a Minecraft server. I went into build explorer and got 1.21.1. I think this one we got. I'm not sure though. It does not matter. First of all, it does not matter आप कौन सा Minecraft server है, क्योंकि this thing will work with every server, right? So I'm gonna show you how can a Minecraft server be hacked and what you should look out for if you are a server admin. Okay, अगर आप सर्वर के एडमिन हैं और आप अपना सर्वर मेंटेन करते हैं तो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आपके सर्वर हैक ना हो जाए, राइट? एंड सर्वर हैक से मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर की राइट दे रहे हैं किसी को, कि ना कि ओनर की राइट दे रहे हैं, कि ना कि भाई कोई क्रिएटिव समवन कैन बिकम क्रिएटिव और समवन कैन बैन अदर पर्सन और all of this. We are not talking about banning people, we are not talking about kicking people, right? We are not talking about this. We are talking about how can a Minecraft server, the server, right? The computer that Minecraft server is running on, how can that computer be hacked? We are talking about that. Okay, so this will be our computer and this will be our attacker. Okay, so how can we do this? So I came across this, right? Minecraft server RCE plugin, educational of course, right? It's a Minecraft reverse shell plugin. So what is a reverse shell, right? If we search what is a reverse shell, we will see that a reverse shell is a remote shell session where compromised target machine is tricked into initiating an outgoing connection. So what does this basically mean? कि इस सर्वर पे एक चीज़ है जिसको हम कहते हैं bin bash, right? bin bash. It is so जिनको थोड़ा बहुत नहीं पता है मैं उनके लिए बता रहा हूँ, ये पार्ट स्किप आप कर सकते हैं. तो बेसिकली bin bash एक प्रोग्राम है, राइट? सिंपल एक स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज कहोगे वैसे तो, बट लाइक इट्स अ प्रोग्राम जिससे आप कमांड्स रन करते हो, राइट? आई एम रूट, आई एम यूज़र, हु एम आई, व्हाटएवर, राइट? सो जैसे विंडोज़ में CMD होता है वैसे यहाँ पे बैश होता है, राइट? सो हाँ, ये सबसे अच्छा एग्जांपल था. जैसे विंडोज़ में CMD होता है वैसे यहाँ पे बैश होता है. अब बात यह है कि एक अटैकर क्या करेगा कि आपकी जो मशीन का IP एड्रेस है वो है ये, ठीक है? एंड आपकी जो अटैकर मशीन है उसका कुछ IP और होगा, ठीक है? उसका IP कुछ और होगा, लेकिन अभी IP सेम है क्योंकि ये वर्चुअली सेम मशीन्स हैं, है ना? क्योंकि ये WSL पे चल रहा है. तो हमारे पास दो WSL मशीन्स हैं, ठीक है? विंडोज सब सिस्टम फॉर लिनक्स. हमारे पास दो लिनक्स मशीन्स हैं, ये बस डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के लिए है. सो देयर इज दिस IP एंड देयर इज दिस IP. अज्यूम कि ये IP डिफरेंट है एंड ये IP डिफरेंट है. अब होता क्या है कि जो अटैकर है वो सर्वर को कनेक्ट कर सकता है, राइट? सो अगर वो सर्वर को कनेक्ट करेगा तो सर्वर को कनेक्ट कर सकता है. आपको थोड़ी नेटवर्किंग वगैरह आनी चाहिए इसके लिए. अगर आप सिर्फ माइनक्राफ्ट खेलते हैं देन इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी हार्ड फॉर यू, बट अगर आप थोड़ा नेटवर्किंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड लिनक्स अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं देन इट इज़ गोना बी ईजी. सो माइनक्राफ्ट का एक डिफ़ॉल्ट प्लगइन होता है, मतलब वो होता है माइनक्राफ्ट डिफ़ॉल्ट पोर्ट. माइनक्राफ्ट का एक डिफ़ॉल्ट पोर्ट होता है 25565, राइट. सो 25565 पे आपका माइनक्राफ्ट चल रहा होता है. 25565 इस पे आपका माइनक्राफ्ट चल रहा होता है, और एनसी एक प्रोग्राम होता है जिससे आप रिवर्स शेल, जिसकी हमने बात करी, वो आप कैच करते हो. कैच मतलब आप उसे पकड़ते हो, ठीक है. सो जब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा तो आपको सब समझ आने लग जाएगा. सो लेट्स बिगिन. सो सबसे पहले व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज गेट टू दिस पर्टिकुलर रेपोजिटरी. इसको मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. सो दिस रेपोजिटरी इट शोज अस कि ये क्या करता है. Minecraft learning tool designed to show how you should never install random plugins from untrusted sources. So let's say कि your friend is saying that can you install this particular plugin? Can you install this plugin? This will do this in the server, right? So you should check that this plugin is not malicious, because if it is, someone can hack your server, right? Someone can completely hack your server, take all the databases of the server. जैसे आप ORA यूज़ करते हैं, है ना, और तो आपके डेटाबेस में घुस सकता है, एवरीथिंग, राइट. Like he can destroy your server, he can copy the world files, he can like of course he or she, whoever, right, they can attack the databases that the server connects to. Let's say your server is using a MySQL connection to store the players database, right? You are using Aura skills or something. So yeah, so someone can totally take over your Minecraft server and the database servers if they get access to this, right? So this is of course for educational purposes, right? If the server is on Windows, cmd.exe will run. If it's on Linux, then sh will run, and sh exists on here. So ls user bin sh, and you see ki sh exists karta hai. So what to do with this? How do you use this plugin, right? So the usage is very simple. As we can see that the maker has explained it how to use. You git clone it, you set up your Java environment, and you compile using Maven. Okay, so let's do that. We clone it, and I will be using IntelliJ IDEA for this. That was from the past. I'll be using IntelliJ IDEA for this, right? And I would suggest that you also download the IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA, you download this, right? Except the cookie part, but do not download it from here. Download it from, wait, you do click on that, and then you download the community edition. Okay, do not download the ultimate. You can maybe, because it's a 30-day free trial, but after that you won't be able to open your IntelliJ IDEA. So I would suggest community. We are using community for this. I would suggest you also do that. And you need to install plugins. Okay, once you open your IntelliJ IDEA, you need to go to plugins, and you need to install all these plugins that I have. So I have a Minecraft development server. This is the most important one, right? And also install build tools if you don't have them. I will not show you how to do it. You can just search it up, right? Because हम नहीं चाहते वीडियो बहुत बड़ा हो जाए. So let's get into the project. And as he said that git clone it. So we are just going to clone the repository, right? I'm gonna paste it there, and we are going to clone. So it's cloning. So there it is. It has been successfully cloned. Resolving Maven dependencies. Yeah, sure. Okay, may affect ID. Do not worry about that. Okay, so once it is cloned, जैसे ये clone हो जाएगा आपको ये दिखेगा, right? Minecraft server RCE plugin. Go into the src folder. Do not touch anything, otherwise it will break, or it can break. अगर आपको नहीं पता है कि क्या हो रहा है तो just follow my steps. Go into reverse shell, and you will see that this plugin is requiring something, hard-coded IP, hard-coded port. Now what does this mean? This means कि जो आपका attacker machine है, जो कि ये वाला है, आपको थोड़ी सी, you need to know a bit of ethical hacking if you want to try this out. But in simple terms, आपकी जो attacker machine है, it should be able to communicate with the server, and the server should be able to communicate with the attacker machine. You will learn about this if you go into cybersecurity a bit, but it's very simple. All you have to do is put your IP address, which is going to be the public IP address. In your case, maybe, I'm not sure, I do not care, but yeah. So this IP, जो आपको जब आप CMD खोलोगे तो भी आपको IP config से मिल जाएगी. IP config, right? IP config, right? This is the IP of my network. So you will get the IP. This is the our testing network. So testing network में ये IP है. So let's say कि आपका सर्वर आपका फ्रेंड एक माइनक्राफ्ट सर्वर होस्ट करता है और वो होस्ट इस कंप्यूटर पे करता है, राइट? एंड यू have to make this plugin. So what you do is you take your IP address, and if you're doing this over the WAN side, if you're using WAN, wide area network, if you're using WAN, then you need to know your public IP, which I will not tell you, of course, but yeah, you need to your public IP, and then you have to do port forwarding and things. Port forwarding, right? You need to understand networking concepts if you want to do this over the network. But let's say कि आपका जो भाई है, friend है, whoever, they are running a Minecraft server inside the home network, right? Inside LAN, right? If you don't know what LAN is, basically local area network, right? Where जहाँ पे अपने router के अंदर ही हो. So I'm not going to explain all of this. जिसने click किया है, they probably know what this is. So let's see. So what do you do now? Your attacker machine, you take the IP and then you put it here in the hard-coded IP. Okay? You paste that, and this is the port which you will use. So we will be using LVNP4444. It's netcat. You can also search about this. What is NC LVNP4444? It is execute shell. You need to understand a lot for this to work, but we are talking about like full compromise of a Minecraft server, so of course you need to know a lot, right? Reverse shell attack, we are basically using this. So it's a netcat utility to set up a network listener on port 4444, right? Awesome. AI knows its thing. So we are going to start a listener on our attacker machine, which is right here, right? And we are going to start a server here. So let's try to start a server. If this starts, let's say कि your friend has stopped the server for a while and you are saying that, oh, why don't you install this plugin? So we need to make this plugin, right? We have turned it on. Okay, we have successfully put our IP and our port. So now it's time for building this project. So how do you build it? First you click here on the project folder, and then you go build module. Okay, you build the module. It's gonna build it right here, and the build is complete. Build is completed successfully. 3 warnings, you can ignore that. And then you click on Maven, you click on reverse plugin, you click on plugin, and then you click on jar, and then you double click on jar. Okay, then you wait, and there it goes. Okay, it is build success. So now you can use this. So I'm gonna copy my location of this jar, and we are okay, and you can see the server is running, है ना? The Minecraft server is running here, and we can actually talk to the Minecraft server. If we nmap this, and हमने पता है Minecraft server का port है 25565, we see the Minecraft server is open. So let's stop the Minecraft server because we need to install a plugin. So let's say कि you are in a LAN and you give this plugin to your friend who is also on LAN, right? And then they copy this. So then you give them the plugin like this. See, right? And there. So you can name this plugin anything, like reverse to guns minecraft.jar, whatever, it does not matter, है ना? So you can give any name to this plugin. And agar aapko, if you know a bit of programming, you can also change things here. I would not suggest it because this is not supposed to be malicious. It is just a presentation on how to protect your Minecraft server, right? How to not get hacked by people who suggest you Minecraft plugins. So what to do here? So now we know the plugin is installed here on our server. jar.tf. This is just my test. Yeah, this means that the plugin is completely installed. So now what happens now? Okay, we are going to start our listener lvnp4444. Okay, we are doing this, and we took this IP here 4444, right? 4444, and the port and the IP this. So now we are listening for a connection on 4444, and let's start a Minecraft server. So let's say your friend starts a Minecraft server, jar paper, and he runs it. Something happens, it shows reverse plugin is being installed, initializing, right? Reverse plugin is turning on, Minecraft server is turning on, loading recipes, things, and it says the reverse enabled. It says reverse enabled here. So now when I check my right client, root client, when I check my root client, we see connection received. So what does this mean, connection received? It means that we can run any command now on the Minecraft server itself. What does it mean by that? Let's say id, we are root, we just ran this command on this server, the server behind us. How can I prove this? If we do a pkill java, so the server should stop working. See, server died, the server died, we just killed the server from another IP address. If I try this again, nothing will happen. If I try pkill java, nothing will happen, right? Because the server is not running anymore. So you see how we were able to completely get into the server. How can I show it more to you? Let me again try this lvnp. We run the server once more, and then we wait for the communication to occur. So yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's showing us. And as soon as it says reverse plugin reverse enabled, we get a session. This is called a session where you are into the server, right? So we can run any command on the server now. So which means if we do pwd, we can see we are in reverse plugin, right? And we go back, we see the plugins that are installed on the server. We can go back and we see all the world files and everything, right? We can go into anything now, we can check anything. We can check the ula.txt, we see this was the ula, right? We can remove the world file, I just remove the world file completely. Then I can just kill the Minecraft server, so everyone disconnects. Boom, right? The Minecraft server is dead, and a lot of errors are being thrown because world file, we deleted the world file. So it's saying the failed to save the level world because it does not exist. We restart the server and then we restart our listener. So now the world file will be made again. The world will, you see, no existing world data, creating new world because the world was deleted. Now the world is being created again, right? And the reverse plugin is enabled again. So now we go to the shell again and we can check everything. So let's say that there is a MySQL database here, you can check that, right? And we see the world is here again. So we can do anything, the server is ours now, and we can like delete anything, check anything, right? We can like if I say ban IP 127.0.1, I have no idea how to use this. Maybe we just do /ban IP 127.0.0.1. I don't know how to use this ban IP. Okay, so ban IP banned this by the operator, right? We banned this IP, and if we check the banned IPs.json file, we can see 127 was banned by the operator. So you see we have complete control over this server that is running behind us, and we can do anything in this server now. So if I want to like op random dude, right? So we just op'd, player does not exist, but yeah, it has been op'd. We can ban players, we can check the OPs. Yeah, it does not exist because this player does not exist, but you can like op the other players from here, right? From ops.json, because of course the player does not exist yet, this does not work. But you can edit this ops.json file, and you can make any player the operator of the server. You can check the server properties, right? What is up, the port number that is on a Minecraft server. You can do anything, you have total control over the server. So what do we learn from this? basically do not kill Java, right, and the server dies background. So we learn from this that we should never ever install any plugin that we do not know, that we have no idea what that plugin is doing. Okay, so this was a great tool by whoever this was, right? Great tool, we love this, and they are actually showing how to try this. Security warnings, this plugin live server you do not fully control, but we control the server, so we can do this. Only use and save, we just did that, right? So always so never do this to someone else's server, but please check if you are the server that there is no plugin like this on your server, right? So yeah, thank you for watching. I think you have learned something from this. If you love this repository, then please give them some stars. I cannot give them because I'm not signed in, but yeah, do that. So yeah, this is how you can actually basically hack a Minecraft server, and I do mean the server itself. But you can also, again, we talked about that you can OP yourself. So yeah, you can also give operator to other people. So basically that's the thing. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Please like the video if you enjoy it, and tell me what should I make next. Should I talk about Wi-Fi hacking, because that is also very true. I mean that is also very extensive. बहुत बड़ा topic है. We can cover that. So yeah, if you have any questions, comment it down. We will listen to you. Yeah, and thank you.